What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel again. And this is all about the Corvette series. This is going to be part 6 and all about the steering. Stay tuned. First, we protected the grease pit with some plastic. Then, my son did some unhealthy job of cleaning the very dirty bottom of the Corvette, spraying some grease remover all over the underside and wiping it off. He nearly made it that clean that you could eat off of it. And it was really dirty, like you can see on these ball joints here. It looked like that everywhere. We removed all the belts, and here you can see the steering pump. We cleaned it, disassembled it in all the different parts, and we replaced all the washers and rings with a replacing kit that we bought before. After that it got painted and the outcome was a good looking and working new pump. Then we completely disassembled the controller in all its parts. Placed all the different parts on a label with some drawings and replaced all the washers and rings with a kit. Then cleaned it and painted it also. Even the brackets got cleaned. All the rust was removed and painted afterwards. Then there were all the moving parts of the steering. Look how clean it was after the awesome degreasing job that my son did. Nevertheless, we had to disassemble them all, replacing all those worn out ball joints, sand the parts to the bare metal and then paint them with some shiny black paint. The left and right parts were marked with a Dremel, and the letters were painted in silver with some zinc aluminum paint. We counted the turns, how it was unbolted, and marked it very well on some paper so that we could reassemble it with the specs like it was before. Then the piston got a complete rebuild and workover, so it worked and looked like new again. At least this part of the mechanics looked awesome now, and most important, the Corvette steering worked almost like a modern European car. And as always, it is very important to take enough photos or make enough drawings for a smooth reassembling. So, this is again a wrap for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, hit the bell, leave a comment, and if you have a question, do it in the section below. Also, visit our Facebook account, and you can find us also on Twitter and Instagram, so you won't miss out on anything new on the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon.